This is a review of the Carplay Screen. That's a 10.4-inch screen size. It's a vertical rotatable touchscreen unit that offers radio, GPS, navigation, and it offers pretty much a lot of sorts of things. A power C adapter as well too, fast charging, and it's an MP5, and it pretty much comes with the radio, GPS navigation, FM. It does pretty much a lot of stuff, and we're going to be unboxing this and showing you guys what you get from the package. And you can see that it offers a voice command functions as well too. You can adjust it for vertical, horizontal, however you're liking it. So you can flip it up, you can flip it vertical, you can flip it sideways, pretty much however you're liking it. But we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get out of this package. So I have the package unboxed, and right here you get the 10.4-inch touchscreen unit. Over here, we're going to take this out. You can see we have the wiring harnesses. It doesn't look too hard to install it, but we're going to take this out and show you guys how it looks in more detail. So right from here, you get the touchscreen units, and you get the wiring harnesses right here. You pretty much get this stuff as well too. So it's like a universal adapter plates to pretty much adjust the touchscreen screen size. And I'm going to show you guys this thing right over here. You can see that it looks really phenomenal. I love it. It comes with a protector case on it as well too. A screen protector, volume up and volume down. Like I said, you could adjust this to horizontal like that way. And then you could pretty much, vertical, horizontal. It does all sorts of stuff. I would highly recommend this product, and so far, just by unboxing it and looking at the package and opening it up, it really is extremely high quality. I love the 10.4-inch screen size. It's fairly big, and it's, the screen, I absolutely love the screen size. It's very big, and if you are looking for a touchscreen unit or a replacement set, or a new one, or your other, the touchscreen unit has broke down and you're looking for a new one, this one is probably one of the best ones so far, since you can have it vertical and you can have it horizontal, and you can see it comes with the instructions as well too. So I would definitely recommend this product, and it looks, to me, I feel like the installation should be very easy. There's not too much wiring into it, but overall, just by looking at the product itself, the quality of this is really amazing. It feels very durable. It has a good feel when you hold it, and it's high quality, and it looks very amazing as well too. And I would highly recommend this 10.4 inches touchscreen unit. If you're looking for a new one, then this is probably one of the best ones you could get.